Let me tell you something. Every single morning, before your feet even touch the floor, a war is waged. It is silent. It is invisible to the rest of the world, but it is the most violent battle you will ever fight. It's not the economy. It's not the government. It's not your boss, your spouse, your bank account, or your upbringing. Stop looking out the window for the enemy. The enemy isn't out there. The enemy is between your ears. There are two versions of you waking up in that bed. There is the version of you that is capable of greatness, the one who commands respect, the one who builds empires, the one who breaks generational curses. And then there's the other one. The one who whispers, just 5 more minutes. The one who says, start tomorrow. The one who begs for comfort. That internal conflict is the defining moment of your life. And right now, for many of you, the weaker version is winning. You have handed over the keys to the kingdom to a coward who is afraid of the cold, afraid of the pain, and afraid of the work. You point fingers. You say, I didn't get the promotion because of office politics. You say, I'm out of shape because I don't have time. You say, I'm broke because the system is rigged. Lies, all of it. You are protecting your ego. You are building a fortress of excuses to hide the fact that you simply didn't do the work. You must realize that life owes you absolutely nothing. The universe does not care about your feelings. It does not care if you are tired. It only respects one thing: action. If you don't change now, if you don't kill that voice of weakness today, you never will. This is the turning point. This is the moment you stop acting like a victim and start acting like a victor. You have to reclaim the power. The moment you take full responsibility for everything, for the failures, the setbacks, the heartbreak, the empty bank account, that is the moment you become dangerous. Because if you cause the mess, you have the power to clean it up. I want you to take a test. It's called the mirror test. It is the hardest test you will ever take because you cannot cheat. There is no answer key. There is only the raw, naked truth. Tonight, before you go to sleep, I want you to stand in front of that mirror. Look yourself in the eyes. Don't look away. Strip away the mask you wear for social media. Strip away the fake smile you give your coworkers. Look at the soul staring back at you and ask one question. Did I give everything I had today? If you can't answer yes without hesitation, you have work to do. This isn't about being perfect. It's not about winning every single time. It's about the effort. It's about the integrity of your soul. Most people can't stand the silence of the mirror because the reflection screams back at them. It screams about the potential they are wasting. It screams about the promises they broke to themselves. You told yourself you'd start the diet. You told yourself you'd write the book. You told yourself you'd be a better father, a better mother. Did you? This practice is designed to strip away the pretenses. It forces you to confront the gap between who you are and who you pretend to be. You have to stop lying to the one person who matters most. You can fool the world, but you cannot fool the person in the glass. We have a disease in this society. It's called someday. Someday I'll start the business. Someday I'll travel. Someday I'll forgive them. Let me tell you something about someday. It is a lie. It is a fantasy land where dreams go to die. There is no day on the calendar named someday. There is only Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. You are waiting for the stars to align. You are waiting for the economy to improve. You are waiting for your kids to grow up. You are waiting for the perfect time. There is no perfect time. It does not exist. The conditions will never be perfect. You will never feel 100% ready. If you are waiting for the fear to go away before you start, you will be waiting until they put you in the ground. You are running out of time. You think you have forever. You don't. The clock is ticking. Every second that ticks by is a second you will never get back. You are trading your life for hesitation. Transformation isn't a lightning strike. It isn't a winning lottery ticket. It is the accumulation of small, boring, unsexy choices. It's choosing the salad over the burger. It's choosing the book over the remote control. It's waking up at 5 a.m. when the rest of the world is asleep. Take that first step. It doesn't have to be a giant leap. Just move. Momentum is the secret sauce of success. Newton's first law, an object at rest stays at rest. Don't wait for the lightning strike. Be the storm. If you don't take action, you stagnate. And in nature, stagnant water becomes toxic. It breeds disease. If you are standing still, you are dying. Now, let's talk about the pain. Everybody wants the prize. Nobody wants the punishment. Everybody wants the view from the mountaintop, but nobody wants to climb over the jagged rocks to get there. Growth is messy. Growth is painful. When a lobster grows, it has to shed its shell. That process is uncomfortable. It leaves it vulnerable, but it is the only way it can get bigger. You are running from discomfort. You are addicted to comfort. You want the air conditioning, the soft couch, the easy route. But the easy route leads to a hard life. Are you ready to embrace the suck? The reason you haven't reached your potential is that you stop the moment it gets hard. You hit the wall and you turn around. But the gold is behind the wall. The breakthrough is on the other side of the breakdown. You have to callous your mind. You have to seek out the things that scare you. If you're afraid of public speaking, you need to get on a stage. If you're afraid of conflict, you need to have that difficult conversation. Facing your fears is the only way to weaken their grip on you. You transform anxiety into fuel. You stop asking, why is this happening to me? And you start asking, what is this trying to teach me? Stay where you are in your safety zone and you will suffocate. The safety zone is a coffin with a view. Step out into the fire. The fire will burn away everything that isn't you. It will refine you. And while you're in the fire, keep your eyes on your own path. Comparison is the thief of joy. You're looking at someone else's chapter 20 and comparing it to your chapter 1. You see their highlight reel, but you didn't see the years of darkness they endured. You didn't see the failures. You didn't see the lonely nights. Success is a unique journey. It is fingerprints. No two are the same. The only comparison that matters is you versus you. Are you better today than you were yesterday? That is the only metric. Consistency over perfection. Amateurs wait for inspiration. Professionals just show up. You think the greats feel motivated every single morning? You think Michael Jordan, Serena Williams, or Elon Musk feel like grinding every single morning? No, they're human. They get tired, they get sad, they get unmotivated. But they show up anyway. That is the discipline. It is doing what you need to do even when you don't want to do it, especially when you don't want to do it.
That is where the gap is bridged between dreaming and achieving. And through this struggle, through this grind, you must find gratitude. It sounds counterintuitive, doesn't it? To be grateful while you were fighting, but gratitude shifts your frequency. When you focus on what you lack, you create more lack. When you focus on the abundance you already have, the breath in your lungs, the beating of your heart, the opportunity to try again, you become magnetic. You are not just doing this for you. There is a ripple effect. When you rise, you give everyone around you permission to rise. When you break your chains, you show others that freedom is possible. Your children are watching. Your friends are watching. The world is watching. What is the story you are writing for them? Is it a tragedy of wasted potential, or is it a heroic epic of a human being who refused to stay down? Your legacy is not built on what you leave in your will. It is built on the daily choices of strength and purpose. It is built on the days you wanted to quit but didn't. If you don't change now, the cement dries, the habits harden, and you become a statue of what could have been. So I ask you one last time, are you ready to take the wheel? Are you ready to stop drifting? Are you ready to meet the person you were meant to be? Don't look left. Don't look right. Look in the mirror. The war is there. The victory is there. The future is there. Take that first step. Right now. Start.